Abundance is the state in which what you need easily manifests. Abundance is the state of flow. Plenty of money is abundance too, but if you only limit yourself to this channel and you have beliefs that block it, you'll get nothing. You are, at a spirit level, an abundant being. Jesus, for example, didn't need to prove this by manifesting plenty of money. Yet, whenever he needed something, he easily manifested. This is the true state of abundance. Your beliefs prevent you from experiencing full abundance that belongs to you. By raising your vibration, you'll get uncomfortable emotions, exploring which will uncover beliefs not belonging to you. Once you're aware of them, you can gently modify them into the beliefs that serve you better. This will open more channels through which abundance will reach you. But again, don't limit yourself only to the channel of money. Be open to all the possible ways that abundance can reach you. There are financially abundant people that are miserable, and there are people like Peace Pilgrim was, who have no money at all, yet they are blissful as the universe totally supports them. The universe totally supports everyone, but some people cut themselves off from this abundant help through their limiting beliefs. If you want to manifest something, do not limit yourself to one channel such as money. The universe uses all the best channels available to you to help you manifest your desires. It could come as you getting something for free, at a discount, through a connection that you make, through something unexpected that happens, and so forth. So stay open and keep your vibration high and release the beliefs that no longer serve you, so that the universe can deliver to you abundance through a multitude of channels. Join the inner circle to watch the full teaching on attracting abundance.